Hello everyone, I'm Maricar Almendres and I'm from the Philippines. I took a Bachelor of Science in Computer Science. My very first experience in teaching English online was way back March 2020. I was able to teach young learners and adults as well. I have undergone intensive training that has greatly improved the skills that I already possess. I was once told by one of my students that my teaching style made her realize that learning English is fun. I always see to it that my students are comfortable. In that way, they can freely express themselves. Eventually, they will be more confident in speaking and communicating with others using the English language. I'm very excited to meet you, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in my class.